Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a white diamond 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 4x4 Crew Cab LT, stock number A6532A. You have heavy-duty tow hooks and a beautiful chrome accent on the grille here. The hood is in excellent condition. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in an 18-inch Goodyear Wrangler tire. You do have running boards along the sides. Inside, there is a black leather upholstery that's in fantastic condition. You've got seating for 3 in the front row, and there's also seating for 3 back in the second row. You do have a hard cap here on the truck bed. There is this great Z71 off-road decal. We'll take one quick look down the passenger side. There are side steps here on the back bumper. You do have backup sensors and a trailer hitch. There is a backup camera. Inside of the truck bed, as you can see, it is very clean in here. And the reason that I'm showing you the Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. To the left of the steering wheel, you have a 4x4 turn dial control. Stepping inside, on the left of the steering wheel, you have cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. Above the rear view mirror, there are HomeLink garage door opener buttons, and this is also equipped with OnStar. Coming down to the center, you've got this great touchscreen display here. This is where your backup camera will show. You do have a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, there are dual climate controls and buttons for heated front row seating here. Underneath of that, you do have a button for a power adjustable pedal as well as traction control. And you also have your hill descent control here. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. You've got a 5.3 liter V8 engine, and in highway mileage, that's going to get you around 22 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Silverado or to schedule your test drive, visit holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.